Okay, we're gonna start this video here, and basically this whole space right here, they're doing pictures here, so people are coming in taking a picture. And this whole street is a pedestrian street today, so they kind of have it all set up for pedestrians. And what we're gonna do in a moment is we're gonna walk all the way down to over there, just Ponte 16, and we're gonna, I'll tell you why, but I think they're also got some big plans for that in the future too. It's kind of cool. They're all doing pictures like this as well. Okay, stay tuned. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so here's another one. So there's a whole line. All these people are coming up. They're doing a picture. So it looks like, I think they're setting up an older guy as well. I think what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to go down this way. It does look pretty cool though. And that's a Ponte 16 right there. So what I'm going to do in a minute is we're going to try to go down and navigate that way. I'll tell you the reason. We're going to try to do something set up for that. I'm just going to come over here real quick because I want to give the full context. Do the full context by going down here a little bit and just kind of showing you this oh, this looks pretty cool too. I'm going to show you down there. So there's all these fish right there too. So what I'm going to do is go here because this oh, it's kind of interesting. Salgado, peixe is a fish, salted fish, so I think that's all codfish, salted fish. And over there as well, crystal. We got all these little side streets everywhere down here as well. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up. I just want to give some context to everything. So down that way, there's a Ponte 16. That one right there. I'll show you that in a second. Yeah, basically, Ponte 16, they're going to develop it into like a little waterfront area for people. So that was the street they were at. We're just kind of at this little, going towards Ponte 16. And I think the waterfront, I'm not entirely sure where it's at, but if you see that right there, it says Lisboa Destinations. Lisboa is the casino that's going to give like over like $1 billion to pump up the money to develop the San Malo area, the street that they had, the pedestrian street, and also to do a waterfront up here as well. So I think it's going to be down in, I think the waterfront might be in this area right here. So yeah, basically I think they're going to develop a waterfront area. And it might be this one. Look at these cats. So let's just kind of walk down real quick. That's where our pedestrian street is at this week. So I think it's going to be over there. There's a Guanyin statue right there. Let me just highlight some of this. I guess it's like antique, kind of more for the tourists. More antiques here too. Okay, so I'm not going to go down too far, but I'm not sure exactly where this waterfront's going to be. I heard this is all the wine shop right in here. Could actually be this one over here too, but that's our pedestrian street. It's only a pedestrian street at the moment. And I think this one, I think what we're gonna do is just gonna There's a valet. I don't know if I can walk in here or not. I've never have before. So I think I won't really know exactly what this is all about until I do. That's a car park. So I think actually that waterfront might be over here. So we're gonna take a walk over here and just take a look. See, I think that might be the one they're developing. Let me just kind of try to get a closer look here. Is that the one? So that looks like kind of an empty lot, so it could be the one they're going to develop. There's some boats over there. It could also be this whole area in here too that they could try to develop. But I don't know if it's enough space. Yeah, I didn't know this was a car park either. So I think we can... Just gonna walk up here briefly and just see what this is all about. There's an outdoor elevator. So we're just gonna walk out a little ways, just kind of see. Yeah, now you can see all the boats. So yeah, that's, I don't know, I wonder if that's the waterfront area. There's also a big large boat over there, that big blue boat that could be something. But anyways, they are doing something out here. I can also hear the casino music. I'm just gonna go all the way to the end because I have the camera. And we'll just see what's over there as well. There's the steps. It could actually develop into something interesting. Okay. You can't really see much. There's a Lisboa casino up there. Yeah, it could be interesting though. So I don't know if it's, I think it's going to be this area or the spot that we're on. And what I'm going to try to do is go, that's our target street up that way. Not our target street, but where we started today. We're going to go this way. Huh. There's actually something interesting right there. Kind of interesting. So it looks like the hotel is up here, Sofitel. Okay. Interesting. No littering, no liquids, no striding over. So this is definitely a casino part. Got a gold shop. Okay. So anyways, this is kind of Ponte 16. The other area that could be developing is down here too, so we're just gonna see if we see any like outlets just to walk down a little bit. At the very minimum, at least you kind of get to see another part of Macau. Let's just walk straight this way. And I think the other area of the waterfront could be is like on the other side of this building, so we're just gonna walk down just a tiny little bit and just see what's on the other side. I think it's just that little spot right there. Okay. So we're just gonna climb over this real quick. Blocked. Blocked. Waterfront. So I guess the pier could either be probably some of those other areas that we saw down there. Okay. So that was basically the little thing that we just did. And with that note, we'll end it. So that's kind of Ponte 16, Waterfront. We'll end it right there. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.